this is gonna be my Mastercraft Corso MXT tire review. I've had these tires on here for a little over a year now. I've only put about 3,000-4,000 max on them. They're wearing pretty good, you know, considering I'm pretty rough on them. I haven't had any issues, you know, they've never leaked. I haven't had to plug any of them. They still got, you know, more than, you know, a whole knuckle full of tread on them. I got them right around 35 psi, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 35 psi. And you know, they work great. They do great off-road. They do great in the mud. You know, I don't go out mudding it or anything, but you know, I do, you know, go on stuff that's worse than this, and this really isn't all that bad right now. But they do great off-road. I paid about $727 for them, all said and done, mounted, balance, taxes, everything else. They are a 31 by 10.5 by 15-inch rim. You know, they're a great tire. I haven't had any issues out of them. I really couldn't find any reviews about them. But basically everyone around here runs them. I run them, my buddy runs them, my other buddy runs them. You know, they're great tires. They're not the cheapest on the planet, but they're not the most expensive either. You know, they're not no Toyos or nothing, but they'll go anywhere, you know, you want them to. As long as your truck's capable, they'll, you know, they'll take you there. They're currently mounted on a 15-inch rim with it's only 8 inches wide, so it gives it a nice side protection. You know, but I don't care about these rims. But I might be getting some new ones. I'm gonna paint these like in the video I said about this. Now the only thing I do have to say is, if you have a 1992 F-150 and you put a 10.5-inch wide tire on it and you don't put any spacers, it will rub on the control arm back there. You can see where it rubs on. It's the one in the clean spot. But you know, they do pretty good. If you want to know anything more about them, you know, get a hold of me and I'll tell you some more about them. But you know, they're a great tire. I would recommend them. I've had them on the interstate, I've had them on the highway, I've had them, you know, doing 2 miles off, you know, 2 miles an hour off road of some pretty decent stuff. So yeah, if you're looking for a tire that's not too expensive, that's gonna last you a decent while, because I don't drive this truck this much. You know, it's my work truck, fun truck, play truck, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna do everything truck. If you want something that's gonna do everything, get these or something similar. You know, they do pretty good in the rain. They don't give me too much issues. You know, now, you know, don't take a corner doing 75 in them, but you know, but for a mud tile, you know, they do pretty decent in the rain. So yeah, that's my Mastercraft Corso MXT tire review. If you want to know anything else, you know, message me, I'll tell you about it. But yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Do Everything.